Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Speak Pro. Welcome to day 1 of English speaking practice. Let's start today's practice. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon.
Good evening. How are you?
I am fine. I am good. I am very well. Thank you. And you? What is your name? My name is Ria. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I am from India. Where do you live? I live in India. What do you do? I am a student. I am learning English. I want to speak English. I want to improve my English. I practice English every day. I speak English every day. I am ready to learn. I am ready to speak. I can speak English. I am improving every day. I am becoming more confident. I am not afraid of mistakes. I will keep practicing. I will speak slowly. I will speak clearly. I will speak confidently. Now, let's practice some everyday English sentences. I am happy. I am tired. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am busy. I am free. I am ready. I am at home. I am going outside. I am coming back. I am working. I am studying. I am reading. I am writing. I am listening. I am speaking. I am learning. I understand. I don't understand. Please speak slowly.
Please repeat.
Please say it again.
Can you help me?